Good day, viewers. Welcome back to Earth Defense Force Iron Rain Shadow Blade.
Dragonfang here.
So now we're at mission 21. The nightmare continues. So we're going. Oh.
No thanks.
Oh, we're fine. We don't need that.
The last time.
Eliminate all enemy or the flying.
Come on, we're down the sewer.
Negative. The unit that was stationed here was wiped out by the Hivecraft's main cannon 3 hours ago. Any backup would take...
It's come towards me!
An hour? We won't last that long.
I'll see what I can do with HQ.
We're counting on you.
Oh, darn it.
What now?
I forgot to buy the sword.
Ouch! Forget about the sword and help me out here.
You know if I had the sword, you know that.
You didn't shoot me! Why did you shot me? I'm on your team. Ow! I can't believe I just watched that and it hit me.
You got act with swamp with weeks. I don't know what they're called though.
We'll figure it out later. They're on the way to the top.
I can't shoot them properly.
You have to get closer. That's what I'm doing.
Pulling on my aim.
Can't even get up.
There's a whole storm of them.
Gregor, I need cover. I'm going more up. Never mind. They all went down.
Yeah, I can see it from here.
This all?
I think that's the last of them.
It's like a river.
It's a horde of giant creatures. Watch
A
out.
horde? Wait, what are those?
Those are white scorpions.
How many of these are there?
Oh no.
Pick up the white quadrant. I'm busy here with the... I'm stuck with the flying ants.
Close to the aggression that we killed before.
What are you talking about?
Poisonous gas detected. Evacuation recommended.
Uh-oh.
They look like buildings that we killed before.
Uh-oh. Just keep up. I'm gonna sleep. Get back here. Get back here.
There are more scorpions.
Juanita, I'm out of ammo.
Same here.
You guys, retreat and regroup.
Captain,
At this rate,
base of last leader. An ally reinforcement unit is approaching.
Wait.
Almost there.
finally.
Wait.
What is it?
Whoa. Oh, no.
What is it?
What are the falling down? Is that one of ours or not?
Not one of ours, that's for sure.
Yeah, it looks like that, right? Rocks are falling down.
This is Gale 3, approaching mission area. We brought a new toy. Dropping it in now.
A new toy. This isn't a game.
Okay, now what?
That's
The latest Warmac. What do you think? Sparkling new toy for you.
all right. Everyone, into the Warmac.
Here we go.
Connecting operation system to vehicle.
Yeah!
Fine, you handle it. If you're riding it, you do most of the damage.
Yeah, but you have to cover me because I can't hit the small one on my feet. Hey, look, I'm big laser.
It makes yourself useful and do something.
I am shooting them as far as I can.
How much do you think this cost? I want it back in one piece, okay?
Hey, a little help here.
Poison.
Evacuation.
Hello? This baby's worth more than you are.
I'll handle
bottom left.
Where is it?
There it is. Hey, you all have one except me.
Hi.
Hey, you step on me.
Where are you?
Oh, never mind. The other doesn't have an immediate.
Detaching from vehicle.
We got them all.
That was
Nobody can
fun.
mess with
I
us.
always wanted to ride that, but
Mission
you took the
complete.
chance first.
Wonderful
I
work,
thought
everyone.
you don't want it. If you don't want it, just say so before I get in.
I was pressing B.
I was also pressing B at the same time. You get your chest next time.
I don't even need it anymore.
Why?
Biggest pile of crap I ever
Looks like
saw.
you're mad at me for something.
Recharging energy.
Wow.
It's not even enough to buy it. Buy upgrades anymore.
Hello, brave EDF soldiers. It's Libby. How are you doing? I heard some amazing news today. Apparently, new Vormex are stationed at various EDF locations. A unique, multi-layered armor made from a 22mm honeycomb-structured ceramic alloy, along with a 15.6mm heavy cannon and an 8,000-kilowatt beam pile. Ooh, looks unbeatable. I'd love to ride it sometime. Just kidding. I'm terrible with machines. I spent hours rehearsing that last line. Unlike the mechanics who work at DDF Industries. I was so sad when I heard there were brave EDF soldiers who lost their lives in the Hivecraft attack. But with the Warmax, EDF's victory is inevitable.
That's right. Inevitable.
If we can mass produce them, that is. We barely have enough resources for bullets.
Okay.
Don't have it up, eh?
What? Danger outside.
What you looking for?
Go on it. Go on.
Right away. Just no returns, okay?
No return.
Hey, that's better. I don't think they have any good laser rifles.
Only the one I seen was a rocket launcher and assault rifle. Danger outside.
This mission is to eliminate the aggressors. There's an aggressor signal near you that appears to
What?
contain a lot of energy
Hey, this
gems.
is where we took out
They
the
must
first
be storing a
mission.
large amount of
But
energy
a
gems
lot
in their bodies.
something
Be
else.
sure to exterminate them and collect the gems.
Enemy sighted. What is this?
They're all standing
Pay
up.
attention to your surroundings. Stay alert. The retro's explosive. Must stay alert.
Can you help me with her? Still standing up. Is the sword really that useful?
Oh, not at the moment.
At the moment, what do you mean at the moment?
On the radar.
What?
Incoming from above. Heads up.
Heads up?
This is what I don't see.
There are more of them!
There's explosives everywhere.
There are more of them!
Oh, there's one at the end over there.
I don't handle the one over here. Wait, are we handling the same one?
One here is back. Where is it? Oh, there it is.
I'm getting real sick of this. We got the short end of the stick.
Okay, that's down. Hey, that's down.
Hey, one of our friends holding a sniper.
I know he knows how to use it.
What? Whoa! This one is close to me!
I don't know how far away from it. Come now. Another one over there.
They have the upper hand.
they're standing up on their own even though we're far away.
I think some of them actually made a pack.
Whoa! Ow! Oh, there's one beside me? What's that shit there? Whoa! It's not in front of me! Is it in front of me? Yup. Nope. It's beside me.
Many of these wombats are around here.
What are they called anyway?
I don't know what they're called. Check the data we played.
Planning. Oh, that's all of them? Man, this mission is pretty easy.
We got them all.
Mission complete. We did it.
Alrighty, time to gather up the gems. We got the energy gems.
They're all red, far as I remember, right? Because that in mid drop red, right?
Exactly.
I
Can't get all of them.
hate teaming up
It's impossible.
with Frost. Pain in the neck.
Let's get them again.
No news, huh?
Introducing some hot new products.
You need a minigun or something? A mysterious pillar.
Oh no. On the mysterious pillar.
I'll deliver anything
no.
with a single click.
It's the same. It's just a different color.
Yeah.
So much for that. Weapons. What are these?
Hey look, there's a double A.
Oh yeah, there's a double A.
Wow.
And it costs a lot. This is shotgun. Sniper rifle. Rocket launcher. Missile launcher. Oh, the Napier. This is what it is.
Look at the damage. But look at the ammo.
Just like the previous one. Just like the others.
Yeah.
I'll think about this one though.
Okay.
I'll think about, like I said, I'll think about it.
Yeah, you just said you're gonna buy it.
This is squad leader in area C-42. We see the giant column-like object as reported.
What is that?
A new aggressive weapon? Most likely, but the object itself has not moved.
Are those red ants?
Then
Brown.
we'll strike first. Last team, prepare to deploy.
I guess I mentioned to destroy it.
Blast Leader, HQ has named the giant objects Pillars. This mission's objective, to investigate one of these pillars and destroy it.
Incoming.
Roger that. We're on the move.
What should we do? Want us to blow this pillar thing away?
Hey Dragon,
Ground units will attack.
provide cover. You go to the pillar and destroy it immediately.
You think you can cover with all these brown and black hands? Oh, grand attack over here.
Going. Wait, what are those? Green beetles? Green beetles! Green beetles! They're explosives!
Oh, there's green beetles!
Just like the older one, but this time they're green and not
That enemy has a
red!
strong resistance
Yellow!
against laser weapons.
Almost there!
What are these poison types? When I say green, I mean... Oh,
Huh?
oh,
What was that?
Die Don't just attack out of nowhere.
Oh, not again, not again, not again, not again, not again. Oh!
Roger. All units, focus on the enemies around the pillar. How about I use this thing to speed things up?
Mike, this isn't the time for your rocket launcher.
This is the time for your rocket launcher.
He's trying to use a rocket launcher on it.
Updated.
Eliminate the enemies.
If you get close, I can't get close to it. Every time I get close, it's just gonna blow me away.
If it's just gonna blow you away, then concentrate on that horde that's attacking us.
Ah! I'm reloading, reloading, I'm reloading, reloading, I'm reloading.
Excalibur!
Is that even them?
Oh, my Excalibur's reloading.
Where can you see an Excalibur reloading? There's no such a thing. Ow!
It's the future Excalibur!
Okay, okay, we'll leave it at that.
Oh, there's more. Where are you going?
Who, me?
No, the enemy.
I thought me.
Running away.
There's still enemy around here.
Mission's not done.
Yeah, there's an enemy around here.
They're all way in the top. What are they, guards?
Don't attack the pillar. It'll bounce back.
That's the main problem, sir. I can't attack the enemy. Ah! They're all the way over there. How am I gonna attack the enemy?
Okay. We just get to spin around.
Hey, guys. No, just get close to the enemy. Just don't attack the pillar, they say. That's why I'm not attacking the pillar.
Well, that leaves it up there because I can't fly.
What? You want me to handle all the enemy here? Oh, there's only a few of them anyway. Where are the others? Ah!
Like I said, I can't fly. You're the one who can fly.
Oh, there, don't want to go. Oh, there, that is the pillar.
They're all giant creatures.
What is this anyway? Look at it.
We got them all.
I gotcha.
Get the energy,
Oh, man.
energy gem.
I'm falling.
Last team, headed
I'm
up.
falling.
You overheated.
No wonder I'm falling.
Charge complete.
Find that jet.
Yeah, I found it. Am I gonna make it in time?
All right, now to resupply.
You idiot! I'm right here! You idiot! I'm right here! You idiot! I'm right here! Ah! What was that for?
Sorry!
I was right there!
The mission's over. I thought I was not gonna respond.
You're like an idiot!
I thought I was not gonna
I
respond.
was right there!
Latest rumor says the team captain's cousin joined the rebellion.
Another turncoat. Sure hearing a lot of that lately.
Shotgun assault rifle.
Silver Army?
It must be silver ants. Silver ants.
Okay? Be careful. What is that? Oh, Silver Army. So all we do is take out the Silver Ant?
Not that thing again.
Don't shoot it, I'm close,
The
okay?
teams dispatched to this area are surrounded by enemies
Okay,
and
I'm
are
shooting
currently
those.
unable to move.
Wait.
You are to exterminate the enemies that have those teams locked down.
Hey, over here, and
That breed there is known as the Silver Ant. Be careful.
Yeah, that's what
Their
it's
bodies
called.
are covered in a special hair that makes them impervious to energy weapons.
gotta be careful not to hit the tower. No, get away from me.
Silver ants
are made to live in the desert. Their silver hair protects them from sunlight. And they look pretty sweet too. It'll bounce back. Frost team!
Whoa!
Who shot it?
Sorry, that was me. What? I didn't shoot it. I didn't shoot it.
I didn't even shoot any.
I didn't even hit it.
I just dodge rolled.
Maybe I hit it that I didn't even realize it. Oh.
Measuring by satellite, we've identified a total of 13 pillars that have appeared in various areas. All of them are along the U.S. West Coast.
No Quake squad was able to destroy any pillar.
We tried live ammo, lasers, everything. No effect. But none of the pillars have moved from their original locations, which concerns me.
We have the upper hand, but don't lose focus.
Don't.
Giant creature on the radar.
Giant creature on radar?
This area is already surrounded by enemies.
Don't shoot it. Don't shoot me.
Join them with my range of fire.
Oh no. Go Scorpion.
Ah.
Go Scorpion.
I heard. Where is it? Oh, it's flying in the air.
Flying the air. Is it sleeping already?
I think I took it out already.
You took it out? Or I took it out? I don't know. Alright, who shoot it?
I did!
Ah!
How could I shoot it? I was bite.
Not again! Did I keep hitting it by accident or something?
Yes!
Oh, I didn't shoot this time! I didn't shoot this time! So that can't be me!
Fighting me!
Uh-oh! Spiders! Wolf spiders!
Look at my life.
Wolf spiders, I said!
That one of them.
Got in the air! Now for this middle one.
Any attacks on the pillar will just bounce back.
Hey, who attacked the pillar?
I am not attacking the pillar.
I think you attacked it because I'm busy over here. Damn, I'm on the shot!
Warning, ceremony nodes are high.
Oh no, I can't see. Damn, look for that!
I think it's under spiders. Oh, come on!
How can you hit? I'm not even there.
I'm not even close to it.
Who's hitting it then?
How many some of our allies?
I can see the spiders pretty well. I didn't attack it! Ah!
Well, like,
Gonna hit zero in this race.
yes. Whoever's hitting that.
I'm not even hitting it.
Oh, there's one over there.
Warning, ceremony nodes are high.
What?
Mission complete. Great work, team.
That wasn't so bad.
The pillar isn't moving this time either.
Yeah, however, since the pillars have appeared, the average temperature around them has slightly decreased.
Lower temperature? Signifying?
I am at a loss to extrapolate any direct correlation. Proceed with your research.
I don't know what that thing is.
Should I shoot it again?
Of course not.
Yeah, I don't know what this thing is.
But whatever, it give us a lot of trouble.
Are you even shooting it?
Of course not. There are times I just shoot it. But I can't shoot it if those ants are trying to make a meal out of me. They're actually biting me and then throwing me.
Well, I have a problem. I have problems with spiders. They're trying to web me over and over again.
Just got a new weapons
Yeah,
list.
but it's E.
Triple tread.
It's
treat.
Oh, 3 of those things.
Okay, guys, gonna be more problems next part of the video. Alright, guys, that's all for today. Hope you enjoy. So next part we're gonna take care of those. But that's all for today. Hope you enjoy. So Shabay, and I'll back in the next part of the video. Goodbye.
See ya.